Imagine a world where machines tell you when they're about to fail. That's the power of IoT in maintenance, transforming traditional methods into proactive strategies. Let's explore how this revolution is reshaping industries. Gone are the days of waiting for breakdowns. IoT shifts maintenance from reactive to proactive, using real-time data to predict issues before they occur. This shift enhances efficiency and extends asset life. IoT systems consist of sensors, gateways, and cloud platforms. Sensors collect data, gateways transmit it, and cloud platforms analyze it. This seamless integration is the backbone of modern industrial maintenance. Different sensors play unique roles. Accelerometers detect vibrations, thermistors monitor temperature, and pressure transducers gauge pressure. Each sensor provides critical insights for condition monitoring. Condition monitoring is the continuous assessment of equipment health. IoT enables detailed monitoring, offering insights into vibration patterns, thermal changes, and acoustic signals, crucial for early diagnostics. IoT data helps set baselines and detect anomalies. By understanding normal operating levels, maintenance teams can spot deviations, signaling potential issues before they escalate. Predictive maintenance goes beyond condition monitoring. It uses IoT data to forecast failures, optimizing resource allocation and minimizing downtime. Machine learning and AI play pivotal roles in this transition. By predicting failure probabilities, organizations can schedule maintenance efficiently. This approach ensures just-in-time parts ordering and skilled technician deployment, reducing costs and improving response times. Remote monitoring offers 24/7 oversight, reducing travel time and enhancing asset management. IoT platforms send alerts when anomalies are detected, ensuring timely interventions. Integrating IoT with CMS and ERP systems streamlines operations. IoT data triggers work orders, updates asset histories, and informs financial planning, creating a cohesive maintenance ecosystem. ManWinWin integrates IoT seamlessly, transforming maintenance from reactive to strategic. Its CMMS solution automates work orders, tracks asset history, and optimizes resource allocation, driving operational excellence. Join the IoT revolution with ManWinWin. By leveraging real-time data and advanced analytics, your organization can achieve proactive maintenance, reducing costs and enhancing asset reliability. Start your journey today.